If you want to make money online in 2026, but you don't want to deal with shipping, inventory, or packaging products, then selling digital products on Etsy might honestly be one of the easiest ways to start because digital products can be sold over and over again automatically. And honestly, that's why so many people are starting Etsy shops right now. So in this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on Etsy instantly with no inventory step by step. First, what are digital products? Digital products are files customers download after buying. Things like planners, templates, digital art resumes, books, checklists, Canva templates, and printable designs. And honestly, the best part is you create the product once, and Etsy can keep selling it automatically. First step, choose a niche. This is very important because honestly, some niches sell much better than others. Popular digital product niches right now include budgeting templates, wedding invitations, social media, templates, fitness planners, study notes, and business trackers. And honestly, simple products usually perform better than overly complicated ones. Now, second step, create the product. And the easiest free tool for beginners is Canva because honestly, you do not need professional design skills anymore. Can use Canva templates, customize them, and export them as PDF, SPNGs, or editable template links. Now, third step, open your Etsy shop, create your Etsy seller account, then press Add a listing. Now upload your product images and digital files. And this part is very important. When Etsy asks physical or digital product, make sure you select digital so Etsy automatically delivers the file after purchase. Now, fourth step, optimize your title and keywords because honestly, SEO matters a lot on Etsy use. Titles people actually search for example, instead of minimalist productivity bundle, say digital planner for students PDF download because that's how buyers actually search. Now another huge tip, make good thumbnails. Because honestly, people buy based on visuals first, use clean mockups, large readable text, and bright designs, and honestly, better thumbnails can massively increase clicks. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people love digital products, passive income potential, because once the listing is live, customers can buy automatically without you shipping anything. And honestly, that's why so many creators love this business model. Now, another important thing, you do not need a huge audience to start. A lot of Etsy traffic comes directly from Etsy search itself, especially if your SEO is good. Now, let's be honest for a second, selling digital products on Etsy is not instant guaranteed money because competition is growing fast. But honestly, it's still one of the easiest low-cost online businesses to start in 2026, especially for beginners. So to wrap this up, selling digital products on Etsy is basically choose a niche, create a digital file in Canva, upload it to Etsy, optimize your keywords, and let Etsy automatically deliver the product after every sale. And honestly, once your listings start getting traction, digital products can become one of the simplest forms of online income.